All right, another Saturday morning here at the Revival Motoring Studio. Big day today. Hopefully gonna get the suspension installed, plus get the tires all mounted on the wheels and put onto the car. Should be pretty good. Should be a big day. Big day. And oil change, I think. A couple other little things, but that's what we're gonna try to do. Now, I'm gonna unbox these. To run out and buy some new top hats. Shouts to O'Reilly's. Literally had them in stock, ready to go. 10 minutes later, they were here and ready to go in.
They be lost in the sauce. Took a loss, that's your loss. Had to get my point across. Heard them lasers talking now and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch and know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, ayy, shows. I'm smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood, but we brethrens. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, we'll send them. Fuck with the fam, you a dead man. Jesus peace on my pendant. And we still independent. ISO, yeah, we trending. Watch what you say, don't offend them. They keepin' it real, they commend them. People like get your wife pregnant, but I ain't tryna be dependent. I need money never ending. I'm talking 100%. I need the owner, you rent it. Whoa, step in the spotty and watch how they panic. Yeah, we the duo, you know we dynamic. When we outside, we be stopping the traffic. Breaking their necks, them they upset. How them boys doing more when they got less? How they on this and how they on that? How they got this and how they got that? Too busy watching us, they need to stop that. Talking my shit, you know we gon' pop that. See it, I like it, yeah, I'm gon' cop that. When we on top, how you gon' top that? Nah, you ain't got nothing on us. I'm steady calling your bluff. Pass me the split, need me a puff. You don't want smoke, tell them that's tough.
Oh, well, it's been a long day. But we got a lot accomplished. Huge shouts to Noah at Noah Sport. Noah Sport on Instagram, go check him out. Kyle and the boys over at KD Designs. They're the ones who, helped us mount the tires on the wheels. On the rotiforms, looking fresh. I actually really like the way they look on white. I wanted them powder coated white or painted white, whatever the process is. I believe powder coat, but they were not available in white. However, I'm pretty stoked with the black. I feel like it works pretty good on the old potato there. So we got those installed. Got the SoloWorks S1, I believe, coilovers installed. They're great. It's just taking old shitty stuff out and putting fresh new stuff in is huge. Ran into a few problems with the front strut tower bolts, the actual top hat. Sorry, I'm tired. One of them didn't want to come out, so we just got new mounts. Ran over to O'Reilly's, grabbed those. That worked out really well. They had them right in stock. They were cheap. snagged those, made it work. So I'm pretty stoked with the process we got done this weekend. Next weekend will be a big weekend as well. This week I'm hoping I can get this thing aligned real quick, because I got to drive about an hour and a half away to have the livery installed. So hopefully the next update, that we record will be the livery being installed, and then ultimately get to see the thing kind of come together. I think I'm pretty stoked with it so far. I like the way it looks. I think we're gonna lower the front probably 1/2 inch or so. I do like the way it sits. Currently it's actually quite even, but I think the front needs to come down a little bit, about 1/2 inch or so. We'll see, maybe 3/4 of an inch. But yeah, it's been a long day. I'm tired. I'm gonna go home, shower. Again, huge shouts to Noah at Noah Sport, Kyle at KD Designs. Yeah, man, it's coming together. Wolfscart, here we come. See ya. Oh, geez, I forgot something. Forgot to mention this. So my initial idea with the paint, or the vinyl, sorry. Obviously vinyl didn't work, so I decided to paint it. And here's the result. It's not too bad. Down here, you can see the kind of the transition there, but that's okay because that part is going to be covered by the livery, so I'm not really worried about that. I might actually buff this because right now it's kind of flat looking, but I think I put a little more time into it, we can get the top of it looking pretty good as well. So did that and installed my Amazon fender. Went pretty good. It was actually quite easy to install. Took a little while because it was the first time I ever replaced a fender on a Mark 5. So I just had to break some seam sealer and all that sort of stuff, but did that. And it's on there. It's certainly kinked, but maybe Dent Patrol, Rob at Dent Patrol can help that out. Get those creases a little, a little less obvious. So yeah, again, for the second time, see you soon. Here we come. Here we go, Wolfsgard. See ya. Oh, I can't even speak. I'm so tired. I don't even know what the fuck's going on. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.